Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to merge multiple zip file parts, the ones you often get as FileZip001, FileZip002, and so on into one complete usable file so you can send or share it in Telegram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel totally confident handling split zip archives, and you'll be ready to upload your newly merged file wherever you need. Let's dive right in. For this process, we'll be using 7-Zip, which is a free, powerful, and trustworthy tool for managing compressed files. If you don't already have it on your computer, just do a quick web search for 7-Zip, head to the official site, and download the version that matches your operating system. The installer is straightforward, and it only takes a minute or two to set up. If you run into any permission pop-ups, just accept them. 7-Zip is well known and totally safe. Once you've got 7-Zip installed, your next task is gathering all the zip parts that you want to combine. These usually come as a set of files named with numbers at the end, like FileZip001, FileZip002, and sometimes there are more. It's absolutely crucial at this step to make sure that every single part asterisk of the split archive is downloaded before you try to merge. Even missing just one piece will cause errors later. So double-check that you've got them all, and for best results, move all the parts into one folder on your computer. This keeps everything tidy and makes sure 7-Zip can easily find each segment during the merge. I recommend creating a folder just for this. Something like My Zip Parts on your desktop can make life easier. Alright, now comes the combining step. Navigate to your folder so you can see all the pieces laid out. The key here is starting with the very first file in the sequence, which will end in .001. Right-click on this initial part, and in the context menu, you'll notice a new 7-Zip option. Hover over it and then select Combine Files. This is a special feature designed just for split archives, and it's much more reliable than trying to extract each file individually. When the 7-Zip window pops up, simply click Combine. Don't worry if you feel a little uncertain here. As long as all your parts are in the folder and named in order, 7-Zip will handle everything else automatically. This part might take a few moments, especially if your archive is large or your hard drive is busy, so just let it run. What's happening behind the scenes is 7-Zip carefully lining up all those parts and stitching them back together into one seamless zip file, kind of like assembling the pieces of a jigsaw puzzle to see the complete picture. Once the process finishes, you'll find a shiny new, fully merged zip file right in your folder. It's a good idea to double-click it just to make sure it opens and all your content is intact. And now you're ready for the final step. Attaching the merged zip file to Telegram. Just open up your Telegram chat, click on the attachment icon, browse to the folder with your new file and select it. Send it off and you're done. No more hassle, no more missing pieces, just one complete file ready to share. I hope this video helped you unlock the mystery behind merging split zip files. If you found it useful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I always love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.